For today, we're going to create or we're going to do the lab exam for system administration and maintenance. So, first thing first, open the VirtualBox and open your Ubuntu account. As you can see, I already opened my mind. So, first thing first or una kong ginawa is I open the terminal and pag na-click mo na is ito yung lalabas. So, first, check the system information. So, you need to type this command. So, uname. So, yan. Uname A. Then, lalabas na dito. Like Linux Harold Sarmiento VirtualBox 6.8.0.4. So, that's my system information. Next is run this command to view the detailed CPU information. So all you need to do is type lscpu, then enter. So lalabas na dito yung kanyang major and minor system information or CPU information. So next step, view the memory information. So type free, wait, type free dash H. Yan. So, makikita natin dito yung memory and yung kanyang swap. So, meron tayong total, used, free, and shared. So, we have 7 gigabyte and 4 gigabytes. So, yung use naman natin is 1 gigabyte and yung free natin is 6 gigabyte. So, what is the operating system kernel version? How many CPU cores does the system have? So, CPU cores, we have how many CPU cores? So, we have one per socket. And what is the total and available memory in the system? So we have a total of 7 gigabyte. Okay, next. Step 2, analyze use disk. So all you need to do is type df space dash h. Then no such file directory. Yan nga yata. Yan naman yung sabi yan. Wait. df df dash h. You don't need to put some space between dash and h. So we have file system, tmapps, debs, and tmapps. We have the size, used, available, and used percentage, and mount on. Next is analyze disk space usage for each directory in a current path. So to do that, type du space dash h, then space dash dash max dash depth is equal to 1. So we have a cache documents config template snap public .ssh.local music videos pictures downloads and desktop. So number 3, list the top 5 largest file in the var directory. So type lang natin yung sudo find bar. Wait, meron ako dito yan. Sudo find bar space type F space negation of exec du space dash h and parentheses sort dash rh head negation of 5. So we have the here. So top one is yung 50, 506M and 270M, 92M, 75M and 75M. So what are the top 5 largest files? So yun, nabanggit ko kanina. So these are the top 5 largest file on the system. So that's it, and I hope I delivered the instruction fluently. So thank you so much.